Ask Tom on Home Show.
Joseph from Willowbrook has some foundation frustration.
Well, he does because it's still under warranty, Tom. Joseph writes to us, there's an obvious foundation problems, as you can tell from the foundation, from the repairs that the company originally did. The home is still slipping after I purchased it a couple years ago. And the foundation repair company tells me they can't lift it anymore because the outside brick hasn't moved since the last fix. There's no room for them to lift it, they say. So I'm about to move this summer, and I'm wondering, will this be an issue when I go to sell the home?
Well, to some people it might be. But you know what? If somebody's out looking for a perfect home, they should be looking at new homes or maybe a different area. I don't know how old your neighborhood is because no home is perfect. That's just the way it is. Now, will this have more will it be more of a problem for some people to want to, more than they want to bite off and chew, so to speak? Yeah, probably for some. But if you take a house, you clean it up, you sell it as is, you're going to have to reduce the price a little bit. But today, even reducing the price on the marketable price, you're still probably going to do pretty well and move it fast so you can move on to other things and not have to mess with all the repairs, because you're still going to have to say, oh, hey, I got all these repairs, and it's still going to turn some people off. I'd find the right buyer, and today I think you can, who doesn't mind buying a home that they're going to have to fix up, maybe use as a rental, which is a big market today, or use it as a tear down, or use it for a lot of different reasons. So I don't think it's going to hurt you. I would put it on the market as is, nice and clean, and sell it and move on, and I think you're going to do just fine.
Now, he is going to have to disclose that he's aware of foundation problems.
As is. Disclose, you bet. This is the problems. They're going to have an inspector. The inspector's going to come in. He's going to say, you got all these problems. I said, well, I know. I'm selling it as is. Didn't you read? So that's how you do it. You just say, of course, whatever. It's there. It's there. And just get the price you want and they're dicker on price a little bit. But will it help you to spend another $20,000 or $30,000 getting it all fixed just right and then not get your money back on it? I'd rather see if not put any money in it at all. At least you walk away without having extra loans to pay off through the sale, liens on the property you have to clear. I just think it'd be easier just to sell as is. I always have, and I've always done well. And sometimes you have to swallow a little humble pie and take a little $5,000-$10,000 off the price and say, yeah, let's move it. Let's go.
All right. We want you to help move your house and do whatever. So ask Tom and click on that blue button at HomeShowRadio.com and fill out this form, and you can send pictures. Pictures help. You saw how it helped us with Joseph, and it can help us answer your question. And remember, when we're answering your question, we're actually answering it for a lot of other people who are having the same problems you are. Yes, your home is not a special little snowflake. Everybody has these problems, and we want to help everyone. So that's why there's so many videos you'll find on our YouTube channel, and you find all the new ones posted every week at HomeShowRadio.com.